Hi, today I'm gonna be showing you how to plant a goji berry. If you go to the store and you buy dried goji berries, you would find inside the dried goji berry, you would open it and find seeds in it. Very, very small yellow seeds. If you open it, you'll see the seeds in it. And basically we're gonna be extracting and cleaning those seeds. Here they are, right here. You can see the seeds, lots of yellow seeds right there. So I'll be cleaning them and then I'll return back with the ready seeds. So now I got the seeds out, and one berry would have approximately from 20 to 30 seeds. You don't need so many. The reason is you can because they grow really fast, but minimum I would do like 15. Why would I do 15? Because what happens, I'll show you what the outcome, what came out from it. Right now we're gonna just go ahead and plant them. I have a potting soil. You just use a regular potting soil, and they're really easy to grow. And we're gonna put like 2 or 3 seeds in one small container. And why I'm not putting more, because what happens, they grow and they're very gentle. If you want to replant them later on, you can break them, and we don't want to do that. The other reason why you want to have only 2 or 3 in them is because it's much easier to take care of them while they're growing. They're very gentle, as I mentioned, until they get like about half a year old, and then they become more stronger, and from that point on you can replant them. And but don't get too excited. We're just gonna plant them, and honestly it's really okay to plant goji berries anytime. In just don't do it in the winter. Maybe you can do it in anytime when you have a space with the where you can provide warm climate temperature. And also you can do if you have a greenhouse, I would put it in a greenhouse. So you would water it and make sure that the soil is moist, and that for in like a week or 2 weeks you'll see they're gonna sprout small green leaves, you're gonna see. And from that point on, just keep watering. That make sure that the water doesn't hit the small plant, because you're just gonna break them. Make sure that you water from the side so it doesn't touch the plant, and keep growing them. And as I mentioned, when they get a little bit older, they get stronger. So just give me a second, I'll switch. So now I'm showing you the ones that are already 6 months old, and that's the goji berries. And as I told you, you would plant like 2 or 3 in one pot. See, every seed has its own time of growth, and not all the seeds make it. Some of them are very weak, some of them are very strong. So you want to make sure that the ones that you get, you select the strongest one. See, like this one is very strong, and this is a strong one. But there's another one small right there, and it was planted at the same time, but it's very weak, and it doesn't have as much growth on like the other ones. And in this one, just one survived, and this one is very small, and it's very weak. I don't know if it's gonna make it. This one, only one survived. In this one, nothing survived. And in this one is just one, and it's very small. So from that point, you can choose the good ones. You can still let them grow, and if they survive, if they can make it, it's fine. If not, you can just let those grow, because they're gonna grow and they're gonna become very strong plants, and they're gonna look very nice. So this plant is much older, and as we see now from 3 that was replanted, 3, 4 actually. There's another one. It's a 4 4 plants that were replanted. There were actually more replanted here, but they didn't survive. And now this one is kind of dry on the top and some few leaves on the bottom, but that one is very, very strong. And there's another one over here, but it could be coming from the same root. That's what's gonna happen. The goji berries, they grow like, see, one plant, it's already very strong, and this one is about a year old, but that was grown from the seed. And this one grows like really, really healthy, and I would keep this one, and I would still give chance to that one. And this one, see how it's gonna do later on. And about like maybe another year, you're gonna have flowers on it, and it's gonna start giving you fruits. Thank you for watching, and if you like, subscribe. I'll have another video where I'm gonna be showing how to plant a goji berry from the cutting. And I have other videos where we plant different berries and fruits. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.